ThermoPro TP50 hygrometer provides professional and precise readings of the temperature and humidity of any indoor environment. The ThermoPro TP50 comes equipped with the ability to provide daily highs and lows, the ability to provide all-time highs and lows, and a unique comfort indicator. Equipped with these tools, the TP50 allows for the best temperature and humidity optimization of your chosen indoor environment. The back of the TP50 comes with a Fahrenheit and Celsius toggle button, a magnet mount, a battery compartment, and a retractable stand. Optimize your home like a pro with the ThermoPro TP50.